If your products just sit on your hair and won't absorb, then you might have low porosity hair. But what even is low porosity hair and how do you care for it effectively? In today's video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know as well as product recommendations to suit this hair type and pro tips for hair health and longevity. So let's dive into it. Hi and welcome back to Cosmetic World. I'm Celine, a hairstylist based in North America, here to help guide you through common questions in the professional hair and beauty industry. So what does low porosity really mean? Simply put, it's when your hair cuticle layer or the outer shield is very tightly packed down. That makes it hard for the water and hair care products to absorb into it. You'll notice signs like water beading on your strands, conditioner just sitting there, and hair that takes hours to dry. If this sounds like you, then follow my quick and easy test to see if you have low porosity hair too. First, take a clean strand of your hair, I have mine. Ensure it is completely free of oils and hair products. Second, drop your strand into a clear glass of water, then watch it very closely. So as you can see, my hair is somewhere in the middle. So that's medium porosity. If it floats for a long time before sinking, that's low porosity hair. If it sinks straight away, that's high porosity. Somewhere in the middle, medium porosity. So if your strand floats, keep watching. This routine was designed for you. This home test is not a substitute for professional advice. If you are concerned about your own hair porosity, then book a consultation with professional hairstylist who can assess your hair and give you professional hair care guidance. And let's move on to product recommendations. Step 1 in your routine, shampoo. But not just any shampoo. You need a gentle sulfate-free formula. Why? Because sulfates can strip your own natural organic oils. And as we have mentioned, low porosity hair already struggles to absorb moisture. We want to encourage hydration, not strip it away. So always go sulfate-free. Some of my top picks are Olaplex No. 4 Bond Maintenance and also Purology Hydrate Shampoo. And we also have Diva Curl No Poo Original. These cleanse without stripping your hair and they leave it soft and moisture-rich. All of these products mentioned in today's video will be linked in the description below. Next up, deep conditioning. This is a game changer for low porosity hair. The trick is using heat. A warm towel, a shower cup, or even gentle heat cup helps lift the stubborn cuticle layer, so your conditioner can actually get inside the strand. Here are some personal favorites that I would recommend. Olaplex No. 5 and also Kevin Murphy's Angel Rinse. And lastly, Ultra Moist by AG Care. Apply your conditioner, cover with a cup and gentle heat, and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. You'll notice improvement right away. Now let's talk about oils. Are they worth including in your low porosity hair routine? Follow this guidance closely and you won't fall for the common mistake people often make. Heavy oils like castor oil or using too much coconut will likely just sit on the top and cause you unwanted buildups. What you want here is lightweight oils that mimic your scalp's natural sebum and therefore will actually sink into your hair follicle. Jojoba oil and grapeseed oil are my absolute go-tos for this. They add shine and nourishment without leaving a thick greasy film. But if you do love coconut oil, then I would recommend to keep it minimal. Less is more here. That's the best way to approach it. As part of your routine, you should also consider aloe and tea tree oil, which are both great for hydration and locking in moisture. Okay, now we've selected the right products for you, but how you apply them is just as important. Let's run through that now. Use heat during deep conditioning, like a heat cup. It really does make a huge difference. Layer products in the right order. Start with the water-based hydrators, like Equave from Revlon, which we will discuss in more detail shortly. Then oil, then a lightweight cream if needed. Thin layers are better than heavy ones. And don't forget to clarify once a month. A gentle clarifying shampoo like Clarify from Paul Mitchell clears buildups to help your hair absorb in moisture again. When it comes to styling, less is more for low porosity hair. Protective styles like twist, braid outs, or bantu knots help lock in moisture, reduce friction, and protect your hair from the elements. And if you're using heat, always use a protectant to keep your hair safe and healthy. For finishing, I love Schwarzkopf Moisture Cake Leave-In Conditioner Spray, Olaplex No. 6 Bond Smoother Leave-In, and Revlon Equave Hydro Nutritive Spray. This keeps your hair hydrated and manageable without any unwanted buildup. Okay, now a quick reality check. Here are some common mistakes I see most often with low porosity hair. Piling on heavy creams and oils that just sit on the surface. An absolute no-no. Skipping the clarifying part so any products afterwards can never get in. Always clarify so that you are not wasting your time and money. Forgetting scalp health, which is the foundation of hair health and must be prioritized. Let's summarize today's tutorial with 5 quick-fire questions. How do you know if you have low porosity hair? Water beads on the hair surface and your hair takes ages to dry. Best shampoo? Sulfate-free. Always, always, always. Why does hair stay dry even after adding products to it? Your cuticle resists absorption. Always use heat and apply in thin layers. Are heavy oils bad? They're not bad, but on low porosity hair, they typically will sit on top rather than absorption. How often should you clarify your hair with shampoo? About once a month is the best, but speak with your hairstylist for specific guidance on this. Low porosity hair doesn't have to be frustrating. With the right shampoos, conditioners, oils, and application technique, you can finally lock all of the moisture in and keep your hair looking healthy and shiny. All these products mentioned in this video are linked below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, as well as hair care products at www.cosmeticworld.ca. We also stock a range of hair colors and developers, professional hair tools, as well as Korean skincare, with international shipping available. Follow us on our social media channels for the latest special offers. Bye for now, and I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.